What happens if you never clean your keyboard? After 10 minutes, warm plastic, invisible oils start sealing dust into every gap. After 6 hours, crumbs soften and smear. Your fingers feel slightly sticky, but you ignore it. After 2 days, bacteria multiply faster than on a toilet seat. Your fingertips smell faintly sour. After 1 week, keys resist your touch. Skin flakes and sweat form a gray paste under the letters. After 1 month, you develop tiny red bumps on your fingers. They itch while you type. After 3 months, each press releases spores into the air. You cough but don't know why. After 6 months, your desk smells damp. The keyboard clicks slower, like it's breathing. After 1 year, a thick living film coats the circuitry. One final keystroke, the screen goes black, and something inside keeps growing in the dark.